How to add photo on a video in CapCut Mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your CapCut application. So there are several methods. One of them is using template. You will find a bunch of templates in CapCut. But if you do not want to use templates in CapCut, but still want to add a photo on a video, you can use the feature of overlay. So, after launching CapCut, go to Edit. Now go to New Project. After that, select a video that you want to add. Tap on the Add button. Wait for the video to load. Once the video is loaded, go to Overlay button. Now go to Add Overlay. Now go to the Photos option and then select the photo that you want to add. And you can adjust it simply by tapping on the photo and then sliding it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.